Good morning, guys. Hope you're all doing well today. Hope you guys are having a great day or night wherever you are in the world today. So, guys, in this video, I want to talk to you guys about something that a lot of people are still not sure when it comes to TextBot. And I want to talk about if TextBot is a tool you can use for your other business. So, a lot of people have joined TextBot in the last year or so, primarily to promote it as an opportunity to earn extra income with. Me personally, I love the opportunity simply because of the fact that you have an automated assistant doing the work for you. So basically, all you're doing is focusing on generating traffic to your TextBot number or to your TextBot phone, your TextBot link, excuse me. And that's pretty much it. You let the system do the selling and telling for you. And when someone is interested, of course, you earn $100 per sale. There's no monthly fees other than the phone number, which is pretty much like $1. And also this year they added the annual fee, $50 to become a reseller if you choose to do so. Now a lot of people, they choose the option to become a reseller because again of the value that TechSpot brings. But you have other people that now they just want to use it as a tool for their business. And I'm going to show you how TechSpot can be used as a tool for your business instead. So one of the main things and the main key points of TextBot is that you have a custom keyword creator. And if you're familiar with SMS text marketing platforms, what that allows you to do is to have a keyword, right, that someone can text to your phone number and they can receive a message about whatever it is that you're promoting or whatever it is that you want them to find out about. So I'm going to show you a couple that I've done. As soon as my computer screen loads up, I'll show you a couple that I've done. And pretty much, it's a simple message. I'll show you how everything works. But you see, I have a couple here that I have tied to different opportunities that I have tied to the actual chatbot itself. You see this one here, 33 triggers. This is one of the main ones that I use for the chatbot. And I have a couple others as well that I've used. So I'm going to show you how this really is supposed to work. So when you create a keyword there, you create a keyword there. This will be your keyword here. You could put other words or phrases to watch out for. And this will be your text response that you would want someone to receive when they text your keyword to your phone number. So this will be mine here, right? So let's say, for example, if I had someone that wanted to join this opportunity to earn $100 per day by providing tools that every marketer can benefit from. All they would have to do is just text daily to my Ava Plus number, which is 716-272-3458. And once they text that, they'll get this sent directly to their phone. So let's say, for example, if you want to promote this on social media, if you have a fan page or if you have a regular Facebook profile page, what you would do, you would have someone tell someone, excuse me, to text your keyword to, your phone number. And once they do that, this will get sent directly to them. So that way they'll have access to your link right away without actually having to wait for an email or, to message you directly just in case if you're unavailable to respond to that message, they'll be waiting for a response. They don't have to wait for a response. They get the information sent directly to them. So this is a great way to have more people reach out to you about your other opportunity, if you have any. Another way, and this is more so, this next approach is more so for online marketers as well that have primary businesses. What you can do with TextBot, it gives you the option to add a primary business on the back end. Let's go here. So on the back end, you're able to add your primary business, which should be right here. You can add your primary business here, right? For everyone that you refer to TextBot, once they receive their follow-up message that Ava sends out to them, they'll receive a message with this link promoting your primary business on the back end. Okay. Now, again, I know that a lot of people have multiple businesses, and these two methods are a great way to generate leads for those businesses. All right. So having said that, as you guys know, you know how I feel about TextBot, you know how I feel about the opportunity. I personally feel that it's been a great opportunity. It's something that works. It's something that could benefit the new marketer for, those who are, I don't want to say hesitant to talk to people, but those who are, not at a comfort level in regards of talking to people about their business. They can have an automated virtual assistant do that for them. And again, all they have to do is focus on driving the traffic to their textbot business. And once Ava does that, Ava does the selling and the telling for them. And when someone is interested again, they just follow the steps that Ava lays out for them, and everything goes from there. Um, Having said this, guys, if you have any questions about textbot, or if you want to know more details about it, feel free to leave me a comment. If you want to test it out for yourself, you can click the link in the comment section, or you can call the number in the comment section. But on this video, I'll just say it again. My Ava number is 716-272-3458. You can call my number and test it out for yourself and see how everything works in detail for yourself. All right. This is only going to get bigger. There's only going to be more things that are going to be added to textbot moving forward, because this has paid out a lot, to its affiliates over the last year. I believe it's over 1 million, I believe, paid out to its affiliates over the last year, which is a lot of money, guys. So, people are out there promoting the opportunity. People are out there joining the opportunity because, again, it's something that works. It's something that has purpose. It is something that has value, not only to online marketers, but to those who want to use it to promote a business utilizing text marketing. And I want to make something very clear if I wrap this video up as well, because I had a gentleman reach out to me the other day, and he told me that he wanted to use textbot as a tool primarily. You can use textbot as a tool, but you will not be able to customize the voice, if you just purchase the standard Ava basic package. If you want to have full customization and all that good stuff, you'd have to upgrade to the Ava Plus package, which is $500 one time plus an additional $499 to go to the company as a fee. Okay, that would be explained here if someone wanted to upgrade to Ava Plus. All right, so having said that, I'm gonna wrap this video up right now. Hope you guys have a great day. And again, if you have any kind of questions, comments, whatever the case may be, leave them in the comments section, but please make sure that they're pleasant comments, they're, positive comments, and things like that. All right. Have a great day, guys. I will see you on the next video. And again, textbot 2021, it's only going to get bigger and it's only going to get better. All right. So I hope you guys hop on the ride if you haven't done so already. And if you are an affiliate of textbot, this is a great opportunity, as you well know, and I hope you guys are sharing it with other members as well, or other people who need what textbot offers. All right. Have a great day, guys, and I will see you on my next video. Take care.